So I'm gonna start off with my foundation. And I'm gonna use this compact brush to blend it all in. This is a cool brush, I love it. Next up, 24 Hours Studio Fix Concealer. I'm using my fingers to blend it in, no more under eye bags. Now we're moving on to brows. So I'm gonna be using a brow pencil and a clear brow gel. I don't like my eyebrows too dark, so I just go lightly. So now I'm going in with the brow gel to set my brows in place. So now I'm gonna go into this chrome shiny eyeshadow, bringing it in from the inner corner out. This is turning into a killer look. Next is liner. I'm gonna do it for my inner corner to elongate my eyes. Now that I'm done with the inner corner, I'm gonna wing out my eye. Looking sharp. So now I'm gonna go into mascara with this new magic extension. Are these my lashes? Next step for this makeup look is blush. I'm gonna be using this pink coral color. This is a perfect color for me. Time for the look. Finishing touches. I'm so excited to go out. And I'm ready for the holidays.